What if you could build a robot that walks, talks, learns, and works, just like a human, not in some distant future, but right now, today? That's exactly what Tesla is doing with Optimus, an AI-powered humanoid robot designed to revolutionize everyday labor. In this video, we're diving into the world of Tesla Optimus. We'll break down what it is, why Elon Musk is investing heavily in humanoid robots, and how this tech actually works. Plus, we'll explore real-world use cases and the massive potential Optimus holds for the future. Let's explore the future now. All right, let's get right into it. Tesla Optimus, also known as the Tesla Bot, is a bipedal humanoid robot that Elon Musk first unveiled back in 2021. And this isn't just some concept, it's a real working robot. It walks, moves, and interacts with its environment. What makes Optimus so fascinating is that it's built using the same AI technology that powers Tesla's self-driving cars. The same AI navigating complex road conditions is now powering a humanoid robot. We're talking about a robot that can walk on two legs, understand verbal commands, and perceive the world using vision-based AI. It's designed to perform complex, repetitive tasks and adapt to new situations. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about creating a future where robots handle dangerous, repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on creative work. Imagine robots working alongside humans in factories, warehouses, and even homes. Tesla is leveraging its expertise in AI, robotics, and manufacturing to create a robot that's advanced yet potentially affordable. This isn't just about building a cool robot, it's about solving real-world problems. Optimus represents a future that's closer than we think. It's not science fiction anymore, it's happening now. Why is Elon Musk, known for electric cars and space rockets, so invested in building a humanoid robot? In his words, the economy is fundamentally labor. If you don't have labor, you don't have an economy. Labor shortages are a growing concern, and Optimus could fill those gaps, especially in dangerous or repetitive roles. Think about jobs in manufacturing, agriculture, and healthcare, industries often facing labor shortages. Optimus can work around the clock without breaks, increasing productivity and efficiency. It's also about improving safety. By taking on hazardous tasks, Optimus can help prevent workplace accidents. Imagine robots handling heavy lifting, extreme temperatures, or hazardous materials, leaving humans to focus on safer, specialized tasks. Elon Musk wants to democratize labor, making Optimus accessible to everyone. Tesla aims to mass-produce Optimus at a cost lower than a car. Imagine a world where anyone can afford a robot to help with everyday tasks, from household chores to assisting the elderly. That's the vision for Optimus, a vision that could change the world. It's not just about robots, it's about creating a better future, and that's why Tesla is all in. So how does Optimus actually work? What's going on inside that sleek, robotic exterior? Optimus is powered by three key technologies: neural networks, the Tesla Dojo supercomputer, and Tesla-designed hardware. Neural networks mimic the human brain, allowing Optimus to learn and adapt. These networks are trained on massive data collected from Tesla's self-driving cars. All those miles driven, all that real-world data, it's fed into Optimus's AI brain. This data is processed by the Tesla Dojo supercomputer, designed to train AI models at an incredible scale. Dojo's processing power allows Optimus to learn and improve rapidly. Tesla also leverages its expertise in hardware design. Optimus features custom-designed actuators, sensors, and batteries optimized for efficiency and performance. Its unique battery pack, integrated into its torso, gives it a sleek, balanced design. One of Optimus's standout features is its ability to learn by demonstration. Show Optimus how to perform a task, and it can replicate it with precision. This means you don't need to be a programmer to teach it something new. Built on Tesla's technology platform, Optimus is constantly learning and improving. Every interaction makes it smarter and more capable. It's like having a robot that evolves and gets better over time. Optimus isn't just a machine, it's a learning, adapting partner. And that's what makes it revolutionary. The combination of AI, hardware, and real-world data is what sets Optimus apart. It's a glimpse into the future of robotics. Now let's talk about what Optimus can actually do in the real world. Right now, Optimus is being tested in Tesla factories. It's performing tasks like carrying boxes, watering plants, and light assembly work. These may seem basic, but they're crucial steps in developing a robot for real-world environments. The potential applications for Optimus go far beyond factories. Tesla envisions Optimus in industries like domestic help, healthcare, logistics, and agriculture. Imagine Optimus assisting with household chores, providing companionship to the elderly, or even working as a chef. In healthcare, it could assist surgeons, transport patients, or provide physical therapy. In agriculture, it could harvest crops, monitor livestock, or plant seeds. In logistics, it could streamline warehouse operations or assist with disaster relief. The possibilities are endless. Tesla is committed to making Optimus affordable, aiming for a price under $20,000. This could revolutionize industries by making advanced robotics accessible to businesses and individuals. Of course, Optimus is still in its early stages. Challenges like improving dexterity and navigation remain. But the progress Tesla has made in just a few years is remarkable. Optimus is more than a robot. It's a tool for transforming industries. It's about making robotics a part of everyday life. And that's a future worth getting excited about. The revolution is just beginning. We're at a pivotal moment in history. Humanoid robots are no longer science fiction, they're becoming a reality. Tesla Optimus is leading the charge. This isn't just about building a cool robot, it's about transforming civilization. Imagine a world where robots handle dangerous, repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on passions and creativity. Robots won't replace humans. They'll work alongside us as partners and collaborators. Of course, the rise of humanoid robots raises questions about the future of work and our relationship with technology. These are challenges we'll need to address as a society, but one thing is clear: the future is here, and it's powered by AI. Tesla Optimus offers a glimpse into a world where robots and humans work side by side. It's a world that's safer, more efficient, and more equitable. The potential is enormous, and it's a future worth embracing. The journey has just begun. Tesla Optimus isn't just a robot, it's the start of a new labor revolution. It has the potential to reshape industries, redefine work, and change how we live. From factories to farms, homes to hospitals, it could be Tesla's most impactful product yet. What do you think about humanoid robots? Would you welcome an Optimus into your home or workplace? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more on AI's biggest breakthroughs. The future is here. Let's shape it together.